Okay, so our foundation is set. Now let's build on top of it. We're going to zoom in from the big picture diet to some specific micronutrients. Think of these as the individual building blocks for your brain.
First up, anthocyanins. That's a fancy word for the stuff that makes blueberries blue, cherries red, and red onions, well, red. They're powerful antioxidants, and there's been a ton of buzz about them for brain health.
And this is where we have to be really honest with the science. A big meta-analysis that pulled together 14 different high-quality trials found something surprising. It turns out supplementing with anthocyanins didn't really have a significant effect on working or verbal memory. Doesn't mean those blueberries are bad for you, of course, but maybe the hype for a supplement got a little ahead of the evidence.
Okay, so let's look at some other compounds. How about lutein and zeaxanthin? You'll find these in leafy greens like kale and spinach. And what's super interesting about them is that they actually concentrate inside the brain.
And here, the evidence gets a lot stronger. One 6-month randomized controlled trial, that's the gold standard, found that supplementing with lutein and zeaxanthin actually improved visual memory and learning for adults who are already noticing some mild issues. Now that is a direct, measurable benefit.
And then there's vitamin D. With this one, it's not just about what it can do for you, but what a lack of it can do to you. Research shows that being deficient is linked to actual physical changes in the brain. We're talking a smaller hippocampus, your memory center, and messed up brain connectivity. But people with enough vitamin D, they didn't show those same negative changes. Think about that for a second. A direct link between a nutrient and the very structure of your brain.